I was just going to show you my new car. I posted one video of it so far. I had a 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 6-inch BDS lift and Fox shocks, but was a little too unpractical for my everyday driving. So I decided to go ahead and trade it. Ended up trading for a 2010 V6 Camaro. I know it's V6, but it was always in my price range at the moment, and the guy wanted to do a straight up trade, so value wise it was worth it. But today I was just going to show you a bit about what it is and what I've done to it, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so here is my car. Like I said, it's a 2010 V6 Camaro. Hopefully you guys can hear me with the wind. It's pretty windy outside today. But so far, I got the car completely stock, had nothing done to it. So far, I've done a cold air intake. I've done a X-pipe in the middle. It's a non-resonated X-pipe. And then I did two single chamber mufflers in the back. And other than that, did lowering springs. I had H&R lowering springs. I don't know if you'll be able to see them back there or not, but H&R lowering springs. Did a front lip I just bought a couple weeks ago. I just put on. Makes the V6 bumper look a little better because to begin with it's pretty crappy. So has that really weird angle at the bottom, so you can't really do anything with it. So I decided to buy a lip. Other than that, I have an LED bow tie. You won't be able to really see right now, but it illuminates at night. I have full LED lights, headlights, fog lights, turn signals, license plate lights, everything. I plastered up my wheels to get black. Wasn't really a fan of the silver. Blacked out the badge. Put on some side skirt extensions as well as rear spats. It's got 15% tint for the front two windows, with like 3.5 for the stripe, for the strip up front, and 35 in the rear. And surprisingly, these lowering springs actually didn't really phase the ride quality much at all. I can't really hardly notice a difference between them. So then we go to the back. Like I said, I have two mufflers back here, so you can see them or not. They're just single chamber mufflers. Black out the deck lid, as well as the little bracket or the little side things that go around it. I also made a kind of a DIY splitter, like rear defeat, like a what's the word I'm looking for? Kind of like a wicker bill. So it's like a ZL1 inspired wicker bill type thing. So basically all I did was use plexiglass I got from Lowe's. I couldn't find a piece that was long enough that I spent like $80, so I got 3 smaller pieces that I ended up just bolting onto the factory spoiler. Doesn't look bad for only being 30 bucks, a lot better than spending what was it, like $300 an actual one. So, and actually I didn't even spend 30 bucks. That's how much it typically would be, but the guy that was in front of us gave us his scraps, so we lucked out pretty well. But yeah, so that's just a quick look around my car. I'll have more videos of it in the future. Right now it's a little cold, so I don't want to be out here too long. But yeah,